Creations. We have a new batch that just came out of the Tumbler. This was in for just a couple of hours. We got a whole bunch of about to be rings, 2 more hair pieces to fill an order. These little guys are sets for my stones that I've wrapped, and they're at the last stage, so I can take the stone out and run them through the tumbler. The little one's for Herkimer diamond. This one here is for a meteorite that I got 2 weeks ago, so that should be a lot of fun. It's gonna be really cool. A couple more of the hair pieces prepped. All these presidential spoons are going to become keychains. Lots of wind chime parts. The spoon heads off of these guys. A couple of forks up there. And these will get turned into rings. Oh wait, that's New Jersey. Maybe they're state spoons.
Yeah, they are.
Okay.
Virginia.
Then they're state spoons. Yay! Not president spoons. Alright, I hope everyone has a great day, have fun, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe.
Mm-hmm.